guys, wish you happy new year. May this new year bring hope and brightness to erase all your sufferings. I have told you guys in my small booktuber tag that I am going to post TBRs regularly from 2021 onwards. So I am here. Have you watched my small booktuber tag? If not, please do to shower your love. Link is provided in the description box below. Now today's video. Today I'm gonna plan my January TBR but little bit differently. Actually, I'm gonna start my reading journal and there I will be providing my TBR. So let's start. The theme of my 2021 reading journal is A Better Tomorrow. 2020 was a mess, guys. We all suffered one way or other. So let's hope 2021 will be better. Let's draw a circle here for Earth. Now I am going to make it a half circle. Now we have our half circle. On the erased half part, here to signify brightness and hope, I am going to draw flowers and here the rest of the earth. As you can see, I have drawn as planned. I have colored our earth little bit too. Actually, I am pretty happy with the results. Now let's color the flowers. I am going to color the flowers with really bright colors to signify hope, happiness and joy. While coloring the flowers, I am going to share my New Year reading resolutions. So let's begin. My New Year reading resolutions are try new genres. Recently, I have noticed I haven't tried many genres yet. For example, steampunk. I haven't read any steampunk. So, I am going to start reading more new genres to expand my reading experience. Next resolution is read more every day. Every reader wants to read more. Actually, due to busy schedule, every night I fall asleep with a book on my hand reading only a few number of pages. It's my habit to read before sleeping, otherwise I can't sleep. So I'm gonna improve this thing in 2021 with more accurate time management. How? I don't know, but I will. I have to. So many books, so little time. And the final resolution is more bookish videos regularly. Yes guys, that's actually a promise. I am going to be more frequent on BookTube this year and also on my blog. If you haven't yet visited my blog, then please do. Link is provided in the description box below. Now let's come to my journal. Reading journal actually. What we are drawing now is my cover page. Just few more flowers and leaves left to color. Though I am gonna change a little bit the green areas, but I am going to keep the glow of white to signify peace. 2020 brought chaos. Nobody was fully happy and satisfied. We were restless. The entire pandemic situation just suffocated us. Let's hope 2021 will be a good year. Let's hope 2021 will bring happiness and prosperity. Let's hope world will be again dancing in its own tune. Our lives will be full of light and brightness as those little flowers. All the flowers are now beautifully colored. Now, I will be modifying a little bit on the green areas to make it more striking. Now I am going to write here 2021 and here reading and here journal. Here it is. Reading journal 2021. Now let me color it. while I color. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to stay connected and hit the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, it knocks your phone. And if you have already subscribed to my channel, thanks a lot for supporting me. Please enjoy the video. And please let me know in the comment section which books you guys are gonna pick for January. So here is my journal cover page. How is it, guys? Let me know in the comment sections. I will be waiting for your feedback. Now let's make the January cover page. Then I will be providing my January TBR. For January cover page, I have thought just a simple snowman and little decorations. So let's do it. Here it is. Now let's color everything. I am going to use on everything very bright colors. Do you like my idea of January cover page? Please let me know in the comment sections. Now it's almost done. Let me switch on the lights. Now finally, my January TBR. For TBR, I am going to write here TBR in bold letters. Here I will be making 3 sections: books, genre and pages. So let's do it. So my TBR sheet is ready. My January TBR contains only 5 books. I know it's less, but I have many assignments this month and the schedule is pretty tight. So only 5 books. If I would read more, I would be more than happy and surely gonna mention them in my January wrap up. So let's start the list. So the first book is The Hate You Give by Angie Thomas. The book remained 50 weeks in the New York Times Young Adult bestseller list. It is a literary fiction with young adult elements. Let me read you the blurb. Star lives in 2 worlds: the poor neighborhood where she was born and raised, and her posh high school in the suburb. The uneasy balance between them is shattered when Star is the only witness to the fatal shooting of her unarmed best friend, Khalil, by a police officer. Now, what Star says could destroy her community. It could also get her killed. The author actually tries to expand readers' understanding of Black Lives Matter movement here. Next book is Camino Wins by John Grisham. Genre is crime. Grisham is famous for legal thrillers, so hoping to get legal elements here too. Here, a hurricane strikes at Camino Islands and ruins almost everything. Now there is a victim called Nelson. He is a writer. Evidences suggest that the cause of his death isn't the storm. Basically, it is a whodunit novel. The victim's friend Bruce wonders. The author's character of the novels are really seem real, and there is a manuscript in the author's computer. Isn't it seem interesting? The plot really has attracted me. Let's see how it turns out. Next is Red Dragon by Thomas Harris. Actually, I have tried many times to pick it since December 2020, but whenever I pick it, I start reading another. But this time, I'm surely gonna read this. This is actually the first book of Hannibal Lecter series. Who doesn't know Hannibal Lecter? I am hoping it will be a great read in chilly January. Next is A Man Called Ove by Fredrik Backman. Another literary fiction. I have come to know there are humorous elements in it. It is a very famous book about a man called Ove. I am really excited to know what's about Ove that is quite irresistible, as the blurb says. Finally, the fifth one, Northern Lights by Philip Pullman. First book of the fantasy trilogy, His Dark Materials. I have researched that it tracks Lyra and Will as they wander through a series of parallel universes. This series is more mature in terms of theme, having a philosophical undertone. For the same reason, not at all YA. In the way Hunger Games and Divergent, there are allusions to concepts from philosophy, physics, and theology. This theology raised controversy for its criticism of religion. The trilogy takes place across multi-universe. Let's see how this book turns out to me. So here is my January TBR. If I read more, then I will be adding here. If I finish all of these, then I shall be very happy. Let's see what we have done today. Let's flip the pages. Here is our cover page. Reading Journal 2021 with our own symbolic drawing. Next comes our January cover page with our own magical lighting. Then my TBR for January with 5 books for now. So that's all. So here we end today. What's your January TBR? Let me know in the comment sections. Also let me know how is my journal. That's all for today. If you have enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to stay connected. I shall be meeting you with another bookish video. Till then, bye.